preparations are in full swing at the Silchar Medical College and Hospital for setting up of 40 ICU beds. Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma will be visiting Silchar later this week to inaugurate the new ICU beds with oxygen supply. Talking to Northeast Live, SMCH Principal Babul Bezbarua said that a team of officials along with the engineers and equipment have already arrived at the SMCH as the progress work is on a war footing. With the latest addition, the number of ICU beds with oxygen supply in the SMCH will go up to 120. The SMCH principal also told that there is enough oxygen supply as the SMCH has its own 1.2 metric ton oxygen generation plant.
We have a principal of Silchar Medical College and Hospital, Dr. Babul Bezbarua, with us to know about the entire facility, how they are preparing it. And so, sir, we want to know from you that last time when Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma was the health minister, then at that time also he inaugurated 60-bedded ICU. And now again new facility we are seeing here that the oxygen connectors are also being connected with the bed. So if you can brief us about the entire, how many beds are there now, what are the program is going to held and when he is going to come?
Yeah, as per the direction of the Honorable Health Minister, sir, yesterday one team has reached from Guwahati to visit the site and feasibility about the another increase of 40 numbers of ICU. So already civil construction part is being completed. Already we have instructed the contractor for the oxygen pipeline. The technical persons have also arrived here. We hope within a short period of time, Bodakvili will be getting another 40 more ICU beds apart from the 100 ICU bed which are existing at this moment. Apart from this 40 bedded new ICU, we will be having another 284 other oxygen supported bed. Out of that already for 84 ICU bed already works are being started. Within 7 days that 84 ICU bed oxygen supported bed will be completed. Another 200 oxygen supported bed, the work will be starting soon.
Is the Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma will come to inaugurate this?
Hopefully he has I have come to know that he will be visiting this week, maybe at the end of this week, and possibly by this time everything will be ready to some extent.